Dictation number 6. Ready? Start. You should not allow anybody to be a director of any education department either here or in the states unless he holds 3 doctorates. That is the kind of thing, but even officers begin to tell lies. I will not tolerate even a single person telling lies, and even the directors tell lies. They see the school and tell lies. Not only that, their lower officers also tell lies. That is the type of things that we have. There is a notorious director of general education in my state who is teaching lies to officers, who says that a school which is running for 15 years is not paying. I am saying this on the floor of the house. Then there are any number of such people. If they are well educated, they will not stoop to low levels. Supposing one holds 3 or 4 degrees, he will not stoop to low levels because he can go anywhere. Every university wants to start colleges in every place. I say for university education up to graduation, let people open any number of colleges, but after graduation, for postgraduate studies and research, there should be only one in every state or 2 or at the most 3. Do not allow every college to have postgraduate teaching and frustrate its funds and frustrates its energies. I would request the Honorable Minister to Education to kindly see that he appoints a committee of members of Parliament to go into the working of elementary education, technical education, high school education, college education, university education, and adult education in institutions run by government as well as private institutions. You should not curb the selfless service of private schools and colleges that are rendering great service in this country and saving a lot of money for the government. Another point I want to say is that I have been asking for a central university for the south. Central universities are there only in the north. For the last 4 years, I have been asking for a central university. In fact, the then Minister Dr. V.K.R.V. Rao promised to give one. Now a reasonable person has become minister. They are going to set up one for a small state like Pondicherry. I would request the Honorable Minister to give us first a central university. I tell you, a central university in Tamil Nadu will be able to give greater service to Pondicherry and to other southern states. So the central university should be given to us. Let the Honorable Minister promise on the floor of the House. On the question of deterioration in education, quite honestly, I am prepared to accept a blanket charge that there is a deterioration in the quality of education. What I would concede is that there has been a very vast increase in enrollment at all stages of education, and the extent to which we have been able to balance the increase in enrollment with increase in equipments Stop.